iPhone also comes with a built-in screen recorder, so you can record a screen for making tutorials and other videos that involve screen recording. In this video, I will tell you how to record a screen in iPhone using the built-in screen recorder. First of all, open Control Center and see if there is a screen recorder icon. It looks like a dot with a circle around it. If you don't see the screen recorder icon, you need to enable it. Open Settings app and go to Control Center. Now scroll down to see screen recording and tap the green plus symbol to the left of the text. The feature will jump to the included controls section above. After adding screen record button to your iPhone's Control Center, you are ready to start using it. Open Control Center and tap the screen recorder icon. A 3-second countdown will appear and then the clock in the upper left hand corner of the screen will turn red. It will start screen recording. When you want to stop recording, tap the red clock or bar at the top of your screen and tap Stop. Screen recording video will be saved to Photos app. If you also want to record a screen with audio, you can enable microphone. For this, open Control Center and tap and hold the record button. In the pop-up screen, tap on microphone icon at the bottom, then tap Start Recording. It is worth noting that the screen recorder automatically records everything that appears on your phone's screen, including notifications. If you do not want any random notifications to show up on the screen during screen recording, you can either turn on the airplane mode or enable focus or do not disturb mode. So that's how you can record a screen on your iPhone. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.